Are you applying for an F1 student visa? Then this one form, the DS-160, can make or break your application. One mistake, and your visa interview could be delayed or even rejected. But don't worry. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to fill the DS-160 form correctly. Let's get started. First, what is the DS-160? It's an online visa application form required for all non-immigrant U.S. visas, including the F1 student visa. You must submit it before scheduling your visa interview. Every detail matters, so be careful. Before you start filling the form, make sure you have these things ready. Your valid passport, your I-20 form from your university, a digital passport size photo, your travel and education history, your SEVIS ID number, and the official address of your school in the United States. Always go to the official website, seek.state.gov. Never use random third-party websites. Now, let's walk through the DS-160 form step by step. Step 1. Choose your visa interview location. Select the city where you'll attend your visa interview. Step 2. Enter your personal information. This includes your full name, date of birth, nationality, and other basic details. Make sure everything matches your passport exactly. Step 3. Travel information. For purpose of travel, choose student visa, F1. Enter your intended date of arrival as mentioned on your I-20 form. Step 4. Address and phone. Provide your current home address in your home country and a valid phone number and email. Step 5. Passport details. Enter your passport number, date of issue, and expiry date. Double check for any typos. Step 6. U.S. contact information. Enter the name and address of your school's designated school official, also called the DSO. You'll find this on your I-20 form. Step 7. Family information. List your parents' full names and mention whether they are currently in the U.S. Step 8. Education and work history. List all schools you've attended in the past 5 years and any employment details if applicable. Step 9. Security and background questions. Answer all questions honestly. Most answers will be no, but read carefully before selecting. Step 10. Upload your photo. Make sure the photo meets U.S. visa photo requirements. White background, clear face, correct size. Step 11. Review and submit. Double check all the information. Then submit your application and print the confirmation page with the barcode. You will need this at your visa interview. Now, a few important tips before we finish. 1. Save your application ID when you start. You'll need it to return to your form later. 2. Don't leave any section blank. If something doesn't apply to you, select Does Not Apply. 3. Save each section as you go so you don't lose your progress. 4. Submit only one DS-160 per interview appointment. You're now ready to fill your DS-160 like a pro. If this helped you, share it with your friends and subscribe for more useful guides. Good luck with your visa process, and we'll see you in the next video.